Now here's a cruiser, a unique, especially in classics. Take a look at this one, 1978 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Classic. This is actually one of 500 made with, as you can see there, the power sunroof. This was actually made in conjunction with ASC. Of course, ASC installed the sunroofs. And it was to celebrate the end of the full-size 9th generation Eldorados, believed to be original mile car, 42,559 on the odometer at the moment. 425 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the grille and the bright work up front, headlight bezels. Arizona beige and Demitas brown. And we'll get into some more of the features on the special edition car in just a bit. First of all, I want to let you know where to see the pictures at, so you'll be able to look at this car from every angle: underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, the Cadillac matching color hubcaps or wheel covers, white wall radial tires. There's a mouthful. Let's take a look down this passenger side. So one of the features in the special edition is the polished stainless. As you can see down passenger side of this car, also be over there on the driver's side, like on the side of the hood. Here's what I'm talking about, down that door. Also smaller rear quarter windows, as well as the rear window. And then the cabriolet elk grain vinyl roof. And that is also obviously the Arizona beige to match the paint. And the gold-plated emblem of the Biarritz on each side. You can see those panels nice and straight. There's a few spots where you got a little bit of touch-up here or there. Filler panel, good shape. Might be a minor imperfection in the paint, but overall, good-looking car. We've had one or two of these in the past, rather quick sellers. I know a couple people then missed out. Wish they would have snagged one. Well, here's another chance. You won't see a lot of these with just 500 being built with that sunroof. Chrome in the rear bumper. Did notice one little dinger in the center there. Nothing major. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Wait till we get to the interior. Beautiful matching interior and plush leather. Very, very nice. All right, still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. Catalytic converter still intact on the car. Has a new tailpipe. Brakes are 90% in the front. Rears have new pads, calipers, and rotors. Coolant was serviced recently. Minor powertrain seeps. The door has a slight sag to it on the driver's side. It opens and closes very nicely, but hinge pin slightly worn. And mentioned a small crack on the driver's side windshield. Tell you what, if you like Cadillacs, Eldorados in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. See a couple just minor blemishes over here in the driver's side also. Not bad for a car that's, what are we looking at? Coming up on 50 years old. All right, door panel, couple minor cracks in that door panel and the vinyl. Of course, power windows, power locks, power seat over here, and look at this pillow top seat, and not worn much at all. That'd be the original leather seating, matching the exterior, same as in the rear with the pillow top, and you'll see that in the still pictures. Headliner, good shape. Power top, the sunroof I have had working. I did notice there's a little bit of a piping kind of that's in the cloth when you open it. It does come out. So a little bit of wear there, but that sunroof does work. Let's go ahead and check out the exact miles and fire this thing up. So, there we go, exact miles, 42,559. Top of the dash, looking good. I did have the radio working earlier. I noticed the power antenna did not work though, but the radio works. 8-track player, also AM, FM 8-track. Look at that, factory installed CD. Fuel gauge over here working. Pop that hood. That door closes nicely. I don't think that sag's too bad. A little scuff back here in the trunk. Let's take a listen. Actually pretty quiet considering 425 cubic inches, V8 power. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. It's gonna take me a little bit to get this hood open. Got a pretty long one there. All right, and then remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Looks like it's running pretty smooth. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. It appears AC has been converted on that side from the R12 to 134A. Battery disconnect. We're in the storage or in between drives. Luxury cruiser right there from 1978. It's a Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Classic Special Edition, 1 of 500 with that sunroof. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus!
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
1 of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today, let's take a nice cruise in a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, like floating on a cloud. Not just the suspension, these seats, these pillow top leather seats are the ultimate. We've got a stereo that works. And if that's not good enough, the 8-track works. The 1978 beautiful sound of contemporary music comes with it, and the 8-track player works very well. It is so soft riding. Probably the most luxurious thing that I've ridden in. And believe it or not, 1978, a large car can be so softly riding down the road. Simulated wood grain across the dash, that beige and brown everywhere on this car. Really brings you back to the 70s. The AC's blowing cold in this car. The wipers work. Everything is smooth. There, the cruise control just picked up. Cruise is working. We have a glass roof over our head. I just pulled back that shade to see, so you can see the sky as you're cruising down the road. Starting is easy. Idle smoothly, brake smoothly. No pull to either side, no pulsation. Excellent power steering, as Cadillac always provides. There's a little bit of traffic here to wait for. Just a subtle rumble to let you know that that's a big V8 into the hood. Plenty of power to pull this big machine around. that hood ornament like a crosshair out on the front of the hood. Yeah, really. Very luxurious in the corners, but handles well. Nice, quiet, smooth ride you'd expect from Cadillac. Find all the pictures of this '78 Eldorado at uniqueclassiccars.com.